I'm on your level. That's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my first fall video of 2020, and I'm so excited because it's actually not gonna be in my house. It's going to be in my younger sister's house. So my younger sister bought her dream home a year ago, or a little bit over a year ago, and it's so beautiful, and she has 3 beautiful babies, but of course she does not have all the time in the world to decorate. So she asked me if I could help her decorate for fall this year, and of course I am more than happy to help her decorate her home. Her home is so beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys. But I asked her if I could film the process, and she said yes. So I'm gonna take you guys along the process with me. I'm gonna show you everything that we're doing, and the first thing we're gonna do is go to Hobby Lobby. We're gonna go to the store, see what we can find, and then we're gonna go to her house and start decorating. We're gonna be decorating like her bench area and a few other like little areas, maybe in her kitchen, maybe like some other little areas. So I'm so excited to see how everything turns out. If you're new to my channel, welcome, subscribe if you like home decor type of content, cleaning content, and just like motivational content.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world.
So we're currently at Hobby Lobby and we're looking for wall art, and all of their wall art is currently 50% off. They always have 50% off their wall art every other week. So if you're wanting to get wall art from here, just wait for that sale and you will get a much better price. We love all of the signs and all of the farmhouse decor that they have. She loved this one that was $49.99 plus 50% off, and it was a pretty large size. As you guys can see, it says welcome to our place, and it's so beautiful.
I wanna see it all, find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild, catch a glimpse of.
My sister and I have very similar styles, so it is always fun to go shopping with her. She's also very into like the modern farmhouse vibe, but she's also very into like the glam style. So she's mixing both of those in her house. So we're trying to find things that accommodate both styles and put them together.
Drinking while I'm by an open fire, make love or fight, this or that.
I'm trying my best to show you guys prices. Some of the items that we're picking up are very heavy and very large, so I won't be able to show you guys the prices on those, but the ones that I can, I will try to do my best.
Choose to do whatever comes next, to just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all, this or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday.
We were both so close to getting this sign, you guys. It is the cutest thing. It says, I choose you and I will choose you, over and over and over. It was a very good price too. I couldn't pick it up, but we also love this one, and I love the black line going across it. It is very like modern farmhouse. I love the tone of the wood. We just love all of these signs. We want them all. Besides all of the wall signs, I love all this wall art. It is so beautiful. I love this one right here with the glass and the wood and how bright and light it is. That's what I'm going for in our house. I'm going for like very like bright wall art. This one is $49.99, but if you get the 50% off, it's not that bad. We also love these floral arrangements, but the only thing I didn't like is that the florals are glued into the bottle, and I don't like that because with all the decorating that I like to do, I like to change my florals every season. Oh, and I don't know what it is, but now I am so into like these like wood pieces on the wall. I think it gives the wall like so much character, especially to like newly built homes that don't have a lot of character. I am buying a few of these and putting them like all over my house.
All the memories slowly start to fade, and the days move so slow. I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway, 'cause I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still
Off to the fall decor aisle, and this is the fun part. All of the fall decor here at Hobby Lobby is 40% off, and I kept telling my sister she needed this tier tray or cake stand. It is so beautiful. I am actually in love with it. I wanted to get it myself. It's $34.99 plus 40% off. It's still a little bit expensive, but I mean, it's like wood and just such great quality. Everything they have for fall is just the cutest thing I've seen. I wanted to get everything. Of course, we said that we weren't gonna get any more fall decor this year because we got so many last time, but here we are. Cause I'm still in love. 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 Cause I'm still in love. She ended up getting this milk jar. It has some distressing at the bottom. It's very rustic, and don't click off and stay tuned to the end to see how we styled it because it looked incredible. I can't deal with this aching. No, I can't. No, I can't. Cause I'm still in love. While I was filming for you guys, she disappeared on me, and I found her at the Christmas aisle. I'm like, what are you doing? We're not shopping for Christmas right now. We're shopping for fall. And she ended up getting a Christmas garland. There it is. And we also got these little pumpkins on the little picks. These are so good, you guys, to put on your wreath and just for decorating your entire home. I actually love this so much. $13.99. plus 40% off, but this is so cute, the texture. I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you. Also, always check your clearance aisle. It is always 75% off, and you can find amazing deals. Like my sister got so lucky to score these beautiful black vases. She was actually looking for some picks that we bought, and these were perfect. For the escape, while my heart wants to stay. So this is one of the areas that we're gonna be working on today. This is her entryway, her bench area, the first thing that you see when you walk into her house. And the one thing that I would like to do here is move her hooks. I feel like they are a little bit too much to the right, kind of like too close to that wall, and I would like to see them a little bit more center in this wall. And she loved that idea, so that's something that we're gonna be working on today. And you guys know me, before I start any project, I like to clean off the area. Even though my sister is very clean, her house is like spotless, but I still like to give the wall a little refresh before we start. And my brother-in-law is now gonna go ahead and take the screws off and try to get this thing off the wall so that way we can center it. But we got a little surprise because once he pulled off the hooks, the entire paint of the wall came off with it. So now he's gonna have to repatch that area. And while he's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the other area that we're gonna be working on. She has this beautiful island, huge island in her kitchen, and it's bare right now, and she wants to do something fall-like and something a little bit more rustic in this area because the rest of her house is a little bit on the glam side. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm just going to add one of the trays that we bought. Is a wood tray and it's very rustic looking. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and add the picture and a few other touches. give it that touch of glam that she likes, I'm just going to add this little pumpkin that has some glitter to it, and it's just gonna pull everything together.
Looking up at a tree, I remember how it started. I was lost in a dream when the fire in my heart said an open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose.
Moving on to the next project, she has like the biggest, most beautiful pantry, and we found this pantry sign at Hobby Lobby, and this pantry sign is going to tone down a lot of the glam that she has going on, and it's going to give her that modern farmhouse vibe that she's looking for, and it just looks completely adorable.
This year I'm going to start a new chapter. Ignore the tears and only write down the laughter and open a roll.
The wall is now fixed and painted. Now I'm making sure that the bench is in the middle and my OCD self won't let it go. But we found this throw blanket at HomeGoods. We loved it because of the black tassels and the black specks all over it. It's going to contrast a lot of the whites and creams that we have going on in this room.
In my own balloon.
Adding a pillow or a lantern to your entryway would just add a cozy element to the space, and it's just gonna feel a lot more homey and just have that welcoming effect that we are all looking for. We found this lantern at HomeGoods too, and then I also thought about getting my sister's shoes and just putting them down there. I like that they're black. I feel like they match but they're also very convenient and practical.
That already found sunlight, the feeling grows.
I feel like nothing makes an entryway come alive more than a wreath, and we love adding greens into our house, and a wreath is a perfect way to add a pop of green, and it's something that you can change for every season. So you don't have to buy a new wreath every season. You just add pumpkin picks. In the winter you can add like Christmas picks, and you just have one wreath, but you can always change it for every season. So it is less expensive and it is always beautiful, especially if you're into modern farmhouse decor. This is something that will make your home feel a lot more refreshed and cozy.
Looking up at a tree, I remember how it started.
Entryways can be very underestimated, and I feel like a lot of people don't think about decorating this area. And if you think about it, this is the first area that people see when they come into your house, and it is the perfect area to make a statement piece and just make it cozy and beautiful.
And anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon. This year I'm going to
And that is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I just want to say how much I love my sister, and I want to thank her for allowing me to decorate her home for her and trusting me in the process and allowing me to record the whole process for you guys and share her home with you. So thank you, Stephanie, and I love you guys. Thank you for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments below if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.